Gentlemen, I'd like you to meet your captain, Captain Over.
Gentlemen, welcome aboard.
Captain, your navigator, Mr. Unger, and your first officer, Mr. Dunn.
Unger?
Over.
Over? Done. Gentlemen, let's get to work.
Unger, didn't you serve under Over in the Air Force?
Not directly. Technically, Dunn was under Over and I was under Dunn.
Yep.
So, Dunn, you were under Over and over Unger.
Yep. That's right. Dunn was over Unger and I was over Dunn.
So you see, both Dunn and I were under Over, even though I was under Dunn.
Dunn was over Unger and I was over Dunn.